To connect Amazon to Nembol, click Connect Channels and select Amazon. Next, select your Seller Central country. Please note that to connect Amazon to Nembol, you must have an Amazon Pro seller account with full permissions for catalog, inventory, orders, and listings. Click Connect to continue. Amazon will ask you to sign in, verify your identity, and grant permissions to Nembol. Review the permissions, then click Confirm to proceed. Lastly, select the marketplace you want to connect. Once the setup is complete, your Amazon store will be connected and your active listings will be automatically imported into Nembol. Imported Amazon products will automatically link to existing products in your Nembol catalog, based on matching SKU codes. You will also see 2 or more channel icons on these products, showing they are connected across channels. In the next video, we'll show you how to set up Quantity Sync after sales, and how to publish your Amazon catalog to additional Amazon marketplaces or other sales channels.